Hey, Billy, how are you?
I'm good.
That's good.
Checking out all these guns. It's boring.
Yeah, that is really boring. Have fun playing with nerd guns. Oh, that's my favorite.
You're saying whatever. I
Hahaha.
didn't catch it. So, how's your day been, Jake?
Awesome.
Anything interesting going on?
Nope, but I just hear some dogs barking.
Dogs barking. God damn it, I have to reload this thing again.
Billy, watch your language. Go read the Bible.
You know what? You and your over-religious girlfriend need to stop bugging me about my language.
I usually don't.
I know, you're just being a douche.
Yep. Yeah, but your brother dressed a Jesus mobile.
Cause it had, yeah, high five, good one. This thing won't start.
Having a hard time with that?
Yeah. It's
I'm
not
sorry.
Fun.
I bet. It doesn't look that fun. Are you okay, Billy?
My eye! Oh, okay, my eye. Oh, my eye.
I'm so sorry.
Oh.